Hi guys, this is my little Uchupat. He is 2 months and 1 day.
Bakit pag bigyan na nagkakalit sa speaker hindi natin?
Baka hindi nakasaksak.
Ang ano po?
Ba't ko?
Nakakonect na kasi po.
Hi guys, this is my Uchupat. This is my Kuya Pap. Kuya Pap, halika. Kuya Pap, come here. Ay, nako. Uchupat will dance. Chupapapap, Uchupapapapapap, Uchupapapapapap. Uchupat is 2 months and 1 day. 2 days. Chupap, Uchupapa, Chupapap. Love na love ng papap. Hello guys, this is my little Uchupat. My Uchupat is 2 months, 2 months years old.